How to make $500 a week online and build wealth on autopilot. Hi there, this is Jen, and I'm going to try and show you over the next 5 minutes or so how you can make $500 a week online and at the same time build wealth for yourself, all on autopilot. Did you know that every 40 seconds, yes, every 40 seconds, someone starts a new venture on the internet hoping to make money online? Especially at the minute, right, when a lot of people have been stuck at home looking for new ways to generate an income. However, not many people actually succeed. The reality is that most people fail, and by most people, we're talking about over 95%. How do we know that? You've probably heard of the 80-20 rule, right? That states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Well, you can apply that same rule, that same principle to any group of people, anywhere, in any situation, where 80% of the people talk about what they want, but only 20% actually do something about it. And then if you apply that same principle again, 20% of 20%, that gives us 4% of the people will actually figure out a way to succeed. That's how you get a 95 to 96 failure rate. Now, in this case, this is mostly due to a lack of understanding. You don't know what you don't know, right? A lack of direction, not having the right blueprint to follow, and people feeling overwhelmed and usually end up giving up before they even got anywhere. And that's how you get a 96% failure rate. So if you want to be part of the 4% that succeed, what do? The opposite of everyone else. Simple as that. 80% of the people watching this video, for example, are not going to make it till the end. That's just the way it is. So if you're still watching, let me show you how you can earn $500 per week online and at the same time build wealth on autopilot, even if you have zero experience making money on the internet and no technical skills. What you do need to have, however, is desire, right? Okay, you have to want this. I can't want it for you. My name is Jennifer Asada, by the way. Please feel free to come and visit on my hub, jenniferasada.com. But I believe that anyone deserves and has a chance to succeed in life, whatever that may be to them. I don't care who you are, what you have, what you don't have, what you know, what you don't know. But if you have the right attitude and the right desire, then yes, you can make it too. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to turn into a YouTuber or to start doing products review, to start blogging about something you're passionate about, to become an associate on Amazon, to start teaching English to people on the other side of the globe, or to sell all your furniture on eBay. Because if you do a search on Google on how to make money online right now, that's the type of suggestion you're going to get. And these are all good and fine. They are all legitimate ways to earn money online. However, they do require having some skills or building some skills that you don't necessarily have or want to have. Not everybody wants to become a YouTuber, right? And if you do sell all your furniture on eBay, then you end up with no stuff, which is probably not what you were looking for. Now, I'm not saying you can just sit on your behind and do nothing and expect money to fall from the sky at the push of a button. Okay, that doesn't exist, by the way. If that's what you're looking for, then, you may as well leave right now. But what I'm about to share with you here is a real way for you to earn $500 per week or more. Okay, I only just put $500 here because, that's the starting point with this earning structure. And also that seems achievable to most people. I didn't want to scare you off with big money claims here, but you can actually earn more than that. Number 2, online. Meaning if you have an internet connection and a device, of course, then you're good to go. You can run this entire thing from home or wherever you may be, without having to physically go anywhere or talk to anyone. You can if you want to, that's allowed, but that's not necessary. Number 3, while building your wealth, meaning on top of that, you're also creating an asset for yourself. So your $500 a week, that's not your wealth to start with. That's money in your pocket. That's just spending money. That's your active income. By wealth, we're talking about something solid over time, something of value, something that keeps gaining value, not something that's worth something today and worth nothing tomorrow, for example. And number 4, on autopilot. Okay, so meaning systematically, consistently, over and over again. Now, for all these to happen, those 4 things that we just mentioned, what do you need? Number 1, someone has to pay, right? The money has to come from somewhere. Like I said, it's not going to fall from the sky. For that to happen, we need sales to take place. And for sales to take place, then you need a product, a real product, not just a gimmick, something that people actually want, and even better, something that people are going to keep wanting. That's for the money part. Number 2, for the online part, we've just covered that already. You need an internet connection, which I assume you have, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video right now. Number 3, for the wealth part, we want to have access to something that has solid value, but with very little risk of losing any. Something that can only go up in value, basically. Like precious metals, for example, like gold, for example. And for the autopilot part to happen, what we need is, yes, you've probably guessed it, is a system, of course. A system that connects it all together, a system that creates automation, a system that does the work. You're not the system. You simply enter the system, you leverage it, you switch it on for yourself. And that, my friend, is how you can earn $500 a week or more online and at the same time build wealth for yourself, for your family on autopilot. Now, the question is, are you going to be part of the 4% that take action, that click on the link below this video and review the information? Or are you going to be part of those who sit on the sidelines and do nothing to create change for themselves? I don't know. Only you can answer that at this stage. But if you are ready to be part of the 4% that succeed with this system, then do click on the link in the description below. Do watch the presentation I'm sending you. Do review the information carefully, and I will see you on the other side to get you started. I'll see you then.